Today, the Trump administration released a memo, and in this memo, they attempted to define gender as the sexual characteristics that one is born with, and that this is unchangeable and undeniable. This would take away the rights of more than 1.3 million trans people living in the United States currently. This would tell me that I do not exist in the eyes of my government. This would put this narrow-minded, transphobic definition of gender into the law. We cannot allow this to happen. We have to stand up for what is right. We have to speak out against hate. We need to band together. We need to let our voices be heard by voting, and we need to support each other. Know that you are valid. We are trans. We are real. We're here, and we're not going anywhere. There are so many of us, and we will fight, and love will win.